GD400 fully automatic facial mask packing machine inline bagging. Mass production packaging machine fully meet the requirements of pharmaceutical grade GM production equipment. Only the roll film feeding can complete the test. Cut film forming, fold mask, online bag making, or prefabricated bag, at essence liquid, seal the bag, and so on. It can replace the punching machine, forming machine, folding machine, filling machine, sealing machine, and other equipment in the traditional manual workshop production. It not only replaces the labor force of 8 to 15 people and the use area of workshop, but also effectively solves the secondary pollution problems in the production process of products,